bitch from NST, that's empiricist. Bitches be jealous when I win, gives me so much bliss. They can't compare, that's why they made I'm who they wanna be. Stalking me, hating me, come to me and face me. I see you chilling, it's what they maybe.
Sanbano baby, Sanbano Lala. Welcome back to another vlog. Right now, near Unity Gamami because currently Wi-Fi I7 is. So it's chilling, we're just having fun. Sana, let me put a bonnet. I saw the land so. So ngivuka buthongweni nyalo so ngifuna kugeza matinyo at least noma mabe fresh yabo. Ayoyo! No.
The Ivory Apartments manje sehostile cela ukuthi uveze ubumnandi
andishilo la kuleya cela ukuthi uveze.
Ngiyabonga njengoba ubona lapha I'm the host ingane lezi yimina no ningamnaki akekho right.
Ngiseyunithini yami nyalo ngifuna ukudla. Yo shembe sengilambile ngikasikhoni hayibo. Besengilambile shem. Sengilambile Mao. Also, since we don't have Wi-Fi, angeke ngikhone ukusebenzisa i-tablet yami or another device to watch something on YouTube. I'll have to use my phone. So angeke ngifilme guys while ngidla ngibukela whatever ngibukela on YouTube. So askisin bolala shem, askisin bolavi. But I'm having my sandwiches lengoyendile le miss leya de ibe imnanzi ngakhona ngidecide ukuyipheka futhi namuhla. So I'm having my sandwiches le kani mayonnaise na lemons a cut. Hopefully you guys can see. It's me and my warm water against the world. Mbuyela back to kabangani bami guys. Sengicethile kudla. Sanibonani bo baby, sanibonani bolala. Niyabona ukuthi la camera ngiyimess njani. Bengiye esikoleni nyalo ngebhasi yakora past 10. Angisayi because letinweleti ngithi ngisinyathi fasa itendeka imess ngithi ngitena into noma sengifaka ijeli ngalatine growth. Yeva like itibhlungu Nkosi yami shemi and angeke ngikhone phaka esikoleni ngisona angeke ngize ngikhone nangesithi ngicwa ikepisi ifike yafinta igcoko adi coverage kahle ngoba letinwedi iningi la inhloka yami ikhulu la ngase res actually kune salon ngothatha 200 wami okugcina ngiyako relaxa because ngifuna letinwedi relaxeke lethi bengithi relaxile lekhathi ngitala Jozi beti right ngo relaxa shemi ngoba angeke ngize ngikhona angikhona ukufasa maphoni. Yeva bengifuna nesitele sokuthi ngithi into fat straight naletinwele kungihlulile shem kungihlulile angistressed because ngabe ngiyalungisa esikolweni so ngihamba ngebhasi yango 12 imagina la ngiyakhona shem ngasibavalile hopefully bavulile yathi ngiyacela shem yathi ngiyacela lithemba lami nje lila kulo babe lo lenyo relaxa kuyinhloko yami because yo guys mara shem yathi bavalile manje ngoyena njani enikude le ngisaluni lenyatiko la yo gogo emadoda akunamuntu la shem ngoyena njani mara yo gogo guys lo baba shem akekho yathi mara shem yathi party lena akekho lo muntu lekumele angirelax ngoyena njani nje phanya sekumele ngofuna umuntu lapha erest lokwathi relaxa yo ngithole lo munye umuntu naye uhlala la ngaserest and mina bengingadi ukuthi unesalon naye. 120 cabanga relax and soft and free. But it's fine nje ngibhadala stawuthini xa uyirabiyang. Ngisayirest nyalo ngiyolanza i-heat protector because shem angifuni notamti be-damaged from i-hair dryer. So yes, ngine-trauma from i-hair dryer and angiyisebenzisi, so lokho ade angifuna ayisebenzise. So for ukuthi notamti ingabe-damaged from the heat, I need to use a protector. And I take a yam. Oh my gosh. Oh, let's go. Ngathi usebenzisa irregular and like let me is super. Sanibona baby, sanibona bolala shem, ngize sengibuya esikolweni angizange ngikhona ukufilma lekhathi baceda ukungirelaxa because ifoni yami icimile, but this is how I look. What do you guys think? This is how I look. Yes, at least yabona lo sekungcono because nje ngithena ngibuya after ngiceda relaxa bese sele 10 minutes ukuthi i-transport ihambe ngavele ngasheshe ngabuya ngadocedzisa and then I left. It's a new day. Angi esikolweni namuhla. And we decided ukuthi ngcono ngiwashe ama wigs these are my wigs ngoba ngiwasha le 3 lena bese leya angengize I don't think ngizoyiwasha because angisayigcoki at all. Angisayigcoki vele because ngiyimoshile ngathi ngizama ukuyijuba ngiyenda ibob. Yavele nje yamoshakala. The shampoo that I'm gonna be using is from Organics. So my bucket like 3 la, so each bucket don't get any wig. Oh shit. Yeah. Seyaphela futhi nale shampoo yami. Le shampoo le lehlangane ne-conditioner. So my wigs kahle kahle awakangcoli ngaleyo ndlela nedi nje. Sengimane sengiyawasha cause vele guys ayizekiphelile, oh my word. Sengivele sengiyawasha ngoba but like awakangcoli ngaleyo ndlela. Usane tsekani. So le itongena la. Okay. Yeah, and then into a soka for say this one. Then also i-wig uyiwasha ngemandi lalokho hayi ngemandi lashisako, hayi ngemandi lawo mlo ukuthi ngasekafuna koshisa, uyiwasha ngemandi lalokho. So ngidwabeka la for about 15 to 30 minutes or maybe an hour because le shampoo yami ihlangane ne-conditioner yabo. Mawuqeda kwasha ama-wigs akho uwarinsa ngemanzi labanzako, cold water. Awuyirinsi ngemali yokushisa. Selokusala. After washing your wigs, uyawayekela so uyawaneka bese aya air dryer, ayadomela wona. Awufaki hair dryer. I don't know about other people, but mina angwa hair dryer ma wigs ami ngiyawayekela so adomele nyalo nje le lawa oyithi unganeke la bathroom. Lelenye ngineke ku balcony ngidonikhomba yona. Bese ke nayi le string inekela ku balcony nayebo. Itodomela nje. Ngidobona nje. Seyithi lapho but yeah. Hakisho shem ngalomshibo lamuhla angikhoshon nje because why le vorsi or inemsobolo orange why angikhoshon shem ngimosha ukuthi nje ngigrade mathematics ngiwafake la because ngilapho nje kumoshakale khona angikhosho leli phalish ngilidlala lincane shem lokudla kahle kahle nje kuncane and the reason why ngidla kudla lokuncane ukuthi ngibude ChatGPT nini cause ngithi mangidla yabo kube ne-sharp pain engiyifila kulanda singakuma ribs aka left and then say ChatGPT wathina lokho kubangwa ukuthi maybe unenkinga ye digestion yabo like yabo tilweti njalo so wathi yena ngibola imitha ukudla yabo ngasadli ukudla lokuningi ngidle ukudla kahle the minute ngifila kwangathi like saying right or sesama safuni ngathi for still ngichubeke ngidle so I'm practicing that now ukuthi ngasadli ukudla lokuningi. Yeah, I'm just gonna add chili flakes now because ngiyathanda ukudla lokubabako and bengiwaredi njani ukuthi ngibeka like into le serious lendlula leyo but like ngiyabona ukuthi futhi nangisolonke limitha lokudla ngathi ngiba ngconywana yabo leli pain alikho buhlungu kangako and kuba right so yeah, let me eat. This better taste good. Amarang anguthembi chem. Yes. About presentation yona iyabhetha oh mara lo kudla kutaste kamnandi shem no shade.
Happy birthday, Beyonce! Happy birthday, Beyonce! To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. Endundizile shem.
Sazile ukuthi singathi indaba uzogijima.
Guys, namuhla kambe, I think it's Sunday, and I haven't been vlogging for 2 days now. And trust me, Shem, kulo 2 days lenge bengavlogging ngayo ayikho into le interesting le bengiyenza. And I think lenye into lengenda ukuthi ngingavlogging ukuthi I just feel demotivated, honestly, and go everything. Cause ngala I'm doing my final year, ngine stress, like I'm so stressed. Angathi ukuthi next year koyendekela ini, and mina ngithandi kuchubeka nempilo ngingana plan yokuthi okay, or ngingade ukuthi ku the next coming month or the next coming year ngoba kuyendakala ini, yabo nje ngituka le phase yokuthi like I don't know angathi kusikwentekala ini, but like into lenye lengithusako ukuthi since I'm doing my final year I know ukuthi kunema possibilities ukuthi ngahle ngibuyele ekhaya and angifuni, yabo that's the last thing that I want ukuthi yendeke. Angifuni Chem, angifuni and ngithukile, angifuni. The thing lengenda ukuthi ngibe demotivated, I think lengicabanga nyalo ukuthi I've already posted 2 weekly vlogs and I was performing the way like bengitshela ukuthi no-performa ngakhona, so manje like sengituke point yokuthi angathi ukuthi ngenteni, should I continue with lama vlogs or ngibuyele back ngene ma sit down videos nakhumbula like bengenda ma story times and all that, and ngibona ngathi abantu bayawathanda. I don't know, maybe ukuthi bengi consistent or like bengicala, I don't know, Shem, angathi guys, but like nje I just feel demotivated and angathi ukuthi ngenteni, and ngiyangibhora nje ku-reacha le phase le or kuba kule phase le cause like nje ngivele ngibone kwangathi ayikho into letolunga. Yo, futhi nje for next year, Shem, angathi ukuthi nyalo nabavula ama-applications la e-UJ kumele ngicale phasi ngi-apply for lenye undergrad, or should I do my honors, or I don't know, cause lenye into angifuni kuhamba la Gauteng ngi-right nje. I don't know guys, angifuni nokushintsha i-institution if kungukuthi into ochubeka netimfundo tami, or am I gonna get a job next year, but ngiyazi ukuthi ngenteka kube nama-possibilities ukuthi umsebenzi ngingawutholi. I wanna try and stay positive as much as I can, but like ngibe disappointed kakhulu empilweni yami, yabo nje i-disappointment like yendeke kakhulu, so angathi Shem guys, like I really don't know, and iyangistressa lento Shem, it's not nice. The only person lo watiwa Shem nge-future yethu uNkulunkulu, and at this point nje ngifuna ukuzama ngato tonke tindlela to do my best ku everything lengiyendako bese sengikelela kuye Shem, se yena sotobona ukuthi wendani and ngikuphi leku right for me, but I don't know guys, I don't know Shem. I also want this content creation thing to work, and flashlight time is stopile guys, telephone, I don't know why, But yeah, yes, so lama views lengatholako mancane and I kind of feel like nje ngathi nje kungiceda amandla lokho yabo, but angifuni give up shem, angikaqala into le because kume njani. I-content creation ngiyayithanda shem kakhulu. I've always wanted to make videos since ngimncane, so and shem angifuni nje give up yabo, and ngathi ukuthi kongithatha isikhathi vele ukuthi ngireche kule level engifuna ngirecha kuyo on YouTube because i-YouTube nje ayifani nabo TikTok yabo nje nabo Facebook. But hopefully shem konke kutoba right at into tohamba kahle khona into na next year like ngiyazama ngato tonke indlela ukuthi ngingabi stressed about indzaba ya next year ne, but like yang stress shem, but ngitozama shem ukuthi ngabi stressed honestly. So yeah, kungiloko shem, hopefully everything it'll work out kahle and I'll be good, you know. Sekuyoshaya 4 nyalo mina ngibhizi ngicedisana ne-research le-Jew Friday. Yo Nkosi yami shem yathi yo guys, i-research yakhona ayipheli kunini ngiyacedzisa cabanga angicali phasi ukuthi ngiyayicedzisa mara solo ayipheli. Yo Nkosi yami and ngiselele few points nyalo ne ukuthi ngicede, but like point akhona like maningi, like kumele ubhale ama-paragraphs like lama points. Yo shem UJ my dear, UJ my dear, le degree le le degree le shem umuntu uyoyithola sekavovekile, kunginyalo nje ngiyavoveka hayibo. Right now ngifuna kusokha ama-anda bese I take a nap because angalali kahle bengibhala i-research ngilale ekuseni. Yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching guys. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Ngakhohlwa like, comment and subscribe. Beni Bolala. Mwah. Love you.